Assalamu alaikum, respected teacher and my dear lovely friends. I hope this message find you all in a good health and doing well. Today, our presentation will focus on myself. So, I would like to say something about myself. So, here I go. Actually, my name is Bibi Fatima, but you can simply call me Fatima because it's my nickname. The beautiful name given to me by my grandfather. I hold this name very close to my heart because it carries emotional values and love. Actually, I live in Noakhali, Bagumganj, to be more exact, but currently I live in Mirpur 1, Dhaka. I came here to my English speaking course to improve my English. And I am a student. Recently, I have completed my HSC. Now, I have been doing my English spoken course at Rahas English Care. My hobby is gardening, also traveling. I love learning English because English is very important in everyone's life. So, I want to go abroad for my higher study. That's why I learned English. That's it. Thank you for listening to me.